All right, we got our first ever remote controlled boat. Driven by the cutest thing I've ever seen right there, Christian Michael Johnson. All right, lay it on. I think if you push both of them forward, they go forward. And both of them backwards, it goes backwards. Not 100% certain. Whatever you're doing seems to be working pretty well. Ho, we had our first contact with the wall, ladies and gentlemen. Wait a minute.
I'll see if I can get it back.
You coming back this way? Hayes loping around. If you push them both forward, I think it goes forward. If you push both of the handles forward, I think it goes forward, Pumpkin Pie.
I am.
Well, that works. Douche, uh-oh. Round two, video round two coming up.